part's gonna be a little bit tricky, so I want everyone to, so there's like, so underneath this, there's also a little flap like right here, right?
Yeah.
Everyone see it?
Yeah.
Yep. So you just want to grab, everyone grab that flap. Okay. Do you have it? Oh, you're kind of unfolding it, so keep it folded up like this, right? See this? Just try to hold this down, but also grab that part. Grab that part. With both fingers. So. Yeah. Wait. No, only one side for now. Grab it like this. Like
and then we're gonna probably put our fingers.
So everyone's got. Do you know where this is? Yep, just there.
This flap?
Yep, that flap. Okay. Now you can just kind of like. So you can just kind of like pull that part out, right? And then.
Like this?
Yep, like that. And then, you kind of unfold it in the process. So, do that again, but try not to unfold the whole thing. Just do that, but with the thing, you unfold it as well. So, pull on it while.
Oh, like this?
Pull it out. So
Like that?
like this? How do you pull it out?
Can I see it? No, because you unfolded it. So, yeah, everyone.
Show us how to do it.
Okay, so.
All right, well, let's watch him.
Okay, again, everyone, you grab onto this flap and keep this part folded down, right?
Let's see on this side too, please.
Okay.
Switch it.